Calculate mass of phosphoric acid in gram required to obtain 53.4 ग्राम पायरोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड। क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया है कि पायरोफॉस्फोरिक एसिड के 53.4 ग्राम को फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें कितने ग्राम फॉस्फोरिक एसिड की रिक्वायरमेंट है। As we can see, the given reaction is balanced. So first of all, we'll find the moles of H4P2O7, which is pyrophosphoric acid. Molar mass find out कर लेते हैं पहले इसका। H4, that is 4 into 1 plus P2, it will be 2 into 31, क्योंकि फॉस्फोरस का मास 31 होता है, plus O7, that is 7 into 16, it will be equal to 178 gram per mole. Now the given mass of H4P2O7 is 53.4 gram. So the number of moles of H4P2O7, it will be equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 53.4 gram and molar mass is 178 gram per mole. So this will be equal to 0.3 moles. H4P2O7 के मोल्स कितने आ गए? 0.3. अब नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं H3PO4 के। First, let's find out its molar mass. H3, that is 3 into 1. Phosphorus के लिए हो जाएगा 31 plus O4 के लिए 4 into 16. It will be equal to 98 gram per mole. Phosphoric acid का हमें mass find out करना है. Let the required mass of phosphoric acid be x gram. So, number of moles of H3PO4, it will be equal to x upon 98. This is equation first. Now from this reaction we can say that 2 moles of H3PO4 produces 1 mole of H4P2O7, or 1 mole of H4P2O7, it requires 2 moles of H3PO4. H4P2O7 के कितने मोल्स आए थे? 0.3. That means 0.3 moles of H4P2O7 will require 2 into 0.3 upon 1 moles of H3PO4, which is equal to 0.6 moles of H3PO4. Let it be second. Equation first में H3PO4 के कितने मोल्स आए? X upon 98, and from 2 we can say that H3PO4 के मोल्स कितने हैं? 0.6. So from 1 and 2 we can write that X upon 98, it is equal to 0.6. This means that X is equal to 58.8 gram. X is what? X is the required mass of phosphoric acid, which is H3PO4, and this is equal to 58.8 gram. Question में हमसे यही पूछा गया था, so this will be your answer.